Think Toyota is the king of reliability? What if I told you that there are cars out there that can outlast a Toyota and even cost you less in maintenance? Toyota has built its reputation on long-lasting vehicles, but today we're going to reveal 7 car brands that give Toyota a run for its money, and some might surprise you. And stick around because the last brand on this list will shock you. It's a name that most people don't associate with reliability, but the numbers say otherwise. Lexus, the luxury twin, that's even more reliable. If you want the reliability of Toyota but with a touch of luxury, Lexus is the way to go. Lexus is Toyota's luxury division, founded in 1989 with a mission to redefine durability, comfort, and craftsmanship. It combines Toyota's reliability with high-end engineering that lasts even longer. Lexus has dominated J.D. Power's vehicle dependability study, often ranking number 1 or number 2 for lowest reported issues per 100 vehicles. It consistently outperforms Toyota in build quality and longevity. Consumer Reports' reliability score, 91 out of 100, one of the highest in the industry. Lexus RX. This mid-size luxury SUV has been a top pick for over a decade and often lasts 300,000-plus miles with proper maintenance. Lexus ES, rated 92 out of 100 in reliability, often described as an unstoppable luxury sedan. Why is Lexus more reliable than Toyota? Uses Toyota's engineering but with stricter quality control. Each model undergoes more rigorous stress testing. Longer warranties than Toyota, 4-year 50,000-mile basic, 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain. So if you love Toyota's reliability but want a more premium feel, Lexus is a no-brainer. Subaru, built to last in all conditions. Next up, we have a brand practically built for survival, Subaru. This brand is an absolute workhorse if you live in an area with harsh winters or rough terrain. Founded in 1953 in Japan, Subaru has earned a reputation for building cars that can survive anything. Known for its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, Subaru's vehicles are designed to tackle snow, rain, and rough terrain with ease. Subaru is ranked among the top 5 most reliable brands in the world, often outlasting Toyota in extreme conditions. Most Subaru owners report over 250,000-plus miles of use with routine maintenance. Standard all-wheel drive, AWD gives Subarus an edge over Toyota for reliability in poor weather conditions. Subaru Outback, one of the longest-lasting SUVs, consistently rated among the best-used SUVs to buy. Subaru Crosstrek holds a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating, praised for its bulletproof engine and durability. Maintenance costs, Subaru, approximately $500 per year, comparable to Toyota but with AWD benefits. Why is Subaru so reliable? Uses a boxer engine with a lower center of gravity, improving longevity. Minimal recalls compared to competitors. Known for simple but effective engineering. If you want a car that can handle anything Mother Nature throws at it, Subaru is one of the best choices. Mazda, sporty, fun, and surprisingly reliable. Mazda is often overlooked in discussions about reliability, but this brand has a secret weapon. It makes some of the most dependable and engaging cars on the market. Mazda started as a small Hiroshima-based company in 1920, but has since become one of the most underrated brands in reliability. While Toyota focuses on practicality, Mazda blends reliability with a sporty, fun-to-drive experience. Why Mazda is a reliability champion? Mazda ranks in the top 3 of J.D. Power's Reliability Index, uses naturally aspirated engines, fewer moving parts mean fewer failures, minimal recalls, and lower-than-average maintenance costs. Most reliable Mazda models, Mazda CX-5, a top-rated SUV that balances sportiness and dependability. Mazda 6, a stylish midsize sedan that's built to last. Mazda 3, consistently outperforms Toyota Corolla in long-term durability annual maintenance cost, approximately $487, cheaper than Toyota's $550. If you want a car that's both fun to drive and built to last, Mazda is the best-kept secret in the auto industry. Honda, Toyota's greatest rival. For decades, Honda has been Toyota's biggest competitor in reliability, and for good reason. Since 1948, Honda has been Toyota's biggest rival in reliability and longevity. Known for its legendary Civic and Accord models, Honda has built a reputation for affordable, fuel-efficient, and ultra-durable vehicles. Why Honda is just as reliable? Most reliable Honda models, Honda Accord, one of the most long-lasting sedans ever made. Honda CR-V, a top-rated SUV for dependability. Honda Civic, known for low repair costs and fuel efficiency. Annual maintenance costs. Honda approximately $400 per year, cheaper than Toyota's $450. If you want an affordable, long-lasting car that holds its value, Honda is a top-tier choice. Tesla, the future of reliability. Here's the shocker. Tesla is proving to be more reliable than people think. Founded in 2003 by Elon Musk and his team, Tesla has redefined the auto industry with its fully electric lineup. While many still question EV reliability, Tesla has proven that an electric car can outlast traditional gas-powered vehicles. Why Tesla is surprisingly reliable. No complex engine, fewer moving parts, seats show less maintenance and fewer breakdowns. Regenerative braking reduces wear, brake pads last much longer than Toyota's. Over-the-air updates, fixes software issues without a mechanic. The Toyota Camry needs oil changes, timing belt replacements, and transmission service. Tesla doesn't. Tesla batteries last over 300,000 miles with proper care. While Toyota's maintenance costs increase over time, Tesla's remain minimal. Tesla approximately $400 per year versus Toyota $600 per year over 10 years. Tesla's battery degradation is only 10 to 15% after 200,000 miles. New battery tech is improving. Soon, Tesla batteries may outlast the car itself. If you want a high-tech, low-maintenance vehicle that could outlast gasoline cars, Tesla is leading the future of reliability. So if you're looking for a car that outlasts Toyota, you now have 5 incredible options. Lexus, Subaru, Mazda, Honda, and Tesla all offer something unique. Whether it's luxury, off-road toughness, driving fun, affordability, or cutting-edge EV tech, which of these cars would you choose over a Toyota? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car content.